Alright, y'all, welcome back. Another episode of Beechwood. Just about to get started on what's left, but check this out. Still gotta clean up this little section down here and cut that crappy little tree down. These are going on the sides of the bridge, one on the left, one on the right. Here's the pond. Cleared out as far as we got so far. Burned all them sticks from the other side and everything. And then if you saw the last video, trying to get back in there, so that's kind of the goal for today. Get the rest of this stuff cleared out, but I only have a few hours. As you can see, the grass is already starting to grow. Still got some cleaning up to do, and then I got to go through and scrape them stumps out, which are all around the pond. So clear this side, remove stumps. Then I'll focus on getting this wall fixed up over here. I keep telling myself it's only like 50 feet, but in reality that's probably easy 100 feet. So I'm going to go all the way down, and right where those trees are sticking out right over there, that's the end. That's where I stopped. So, Paris, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Hey, over here. You just got a bath. Hey, Paris. Come here. Getting sassy. Yeah. So, I have 2 hours. Sun's going down. Let me show you the backside. Alright, so I'm back in that corner on the other side. This is pretty much see the bridges over there. See it right back there. This is a spider web of trees and poison ivy vines. But all this needs to come out. So, I mean, you can see that's the side of the pond. It's almost like there's a trail down here. What? Time to go get the saw and start clearing all this out. Two hours. Time to move fast. Alright, this is actually a 2-day video because after the first 3 hours to get all of this cleared, it was too dark to come out and film it again. So, and I'm not happy. I'm not done with it. It's just a few more things. That bush over there is pretty much cut out. It's just hella vines holding it in. And then all of this, look at that, super clear. This is all pile of brush. This is all pile of brush. It's basically been stacked. Now I'm going to pull it out through the back. All that's been cut out. And then look at this. All these vines. Ordinary tree. Let me step back. So, I'm debating on just cutting that whole tree down. The vines killed that pine tree. But either way, here's the whole pond right now. These 3 dead ones have to go. Tall ones. A little bit of chaos. This dog. She's crazy. She's crazy. Still playing in the leaves. Anyway, just chopped 3 dead trees down. Saved the other 2. Now it's time to cut them up, burn them up, because they are filled with carpenter ants. So I gotta be careful. Don't get any on me. And this dog. Anyway, 3 big nasties. Dead. Still debating on what to do with this thing. I told y'all it was leaning. Look, can you see it better now? Look at this tree. So if you look at the bridge and you're standing back and you look up, it's like, we'll see how I feel. Alright, time to burn these up, get these stumps out of here. Alright guys, it's a new day and that tree is going down. So, continuing on with this pond, if you can't tell which one I'm talking about, oh man, there we go. This tall tree taken over by the vines. Let me bring you in.
Come down, I feel weird on my leg. They do!
I'm recording.
Oh.
So look at this big tree. This is huge. Jay's gonna cut it down with a chainsaw.
No, I'm not.
She's gonna do her first tree today.
No!
I'm just
I'll
kidding.
do that one.
This one's dead. I might bring it down today too.
That's big.
Depends on how I feel. That one's staying. And this one is going. So this guy right here. Because you don't want to jump over this jump and clip your shoulder on this tree because you went a little bit wide. Because that would cause a disaster. So look at the lean on it. Like I'm standing straight, there's that tree is straight.
Look at it. That tree and that tree have different patterns.
It's because they're different trees.
Oh. It looks the same at least with this.
And this is the dead guy. I was trying to keep it, if you could see that. It's got the branch coming out. It's kind of like the arm, kind of
Like
secluding everything. But this bridge, I'm going to have to lift that corner right there. So I'm going to bring this side up, fill this whole gap right here, remove that tree, and then all these vines will come with it. And then all that brush is what I removed. I still got to burn it. I'll try to get on that. And then go back in here, finish cleanup on this side. So lots of work. Once the grass started coming in, I had to take a few days off. So back at it. First nice day. And let's get cutting.
Okay, so he's gonna cut that down, and I'm kind of scared, so. But I'm way up here. Oh, God. Just getting farther back and farther back as I go. I'm terrified this is it. Okay, guys, I'm sorry if you can't see. I make weird noises, so. What the heck? It's not falling yet. What? Okay. We're just gonna wait then. And this is gonna be scary. Okay. 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 I hope he doesn't get hurt. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, done. And it's a big tree. So he's continuing to cut the tree down. And it was dead, so we had to put some support on the bridge so that if it does fall on the bridge, then it will hopefully save it a little bit from breaking the bridge. So I'm kind of scared because after this he might be kind of mad. So sorry. Oh, yep. It went down pretty gently. Paris bear. Stop. Sorry, stop. Sorry, guys. This isn't working. Okay. Dad, you good? Okay. Let's go.
Alright, continuing on. We got Jay and Grandpa up there playing basketball. Big old fire burning, full of pine. Tractors out, pulling all these trees. Like, I was not kidding when I said these were some big ass trees. Just gonna do a slow scan for you guys so you can see it all, but all this brush has to come out again. And then here's everything I cleaned up way back in the back. So all that already needs burnt, but I'm gonna go to the other side, pull it back that way instead of taking it through the pond. And over here, this is all the new stuff. This is where I dragged them straight out. There's the bridge in all its glory. But I'm gonna get all that cleaned up. And then all this needs cleaned up. What you can't see is the tree stump back here. So I have to get that. Have to get that out of there. I'm just gonna cut it down, no worries. Keep moving. And this tree stump right here. after getting all that. You've seen the struggles of that. But we didn't break the bridge, so we're good to go. Just need to lower the stump. Let's get it down real low. Piece these up, drag them out. But anyway, ta freaking da. Then we get back to cleaning that edge line. Whew. Alright, I'll shoot it again once I'm done. So, give me a second. Alright guys, update. I told you to be right back in the car. So, check it out. This is pretty much what's left. Cut that stump all the way down. It's no longer going to be an issue. Gotta find out what kind of tree that was though. Look at that. Got a couple logs down there in the ditch that need to come out. We'll lift those up out of there. Alright, check out this side. Finally looking like the side of a pond. I still gotta clear all these out, but we'll be back to that. That's what I'm getting to now. Just wanted to stop and show you guys. Look at all these vines. This is what was holding that tree down. All those vines, all the way up. And there's all the logs. They're all out. This one's cut down. This one's just a pine tree though. Nothing fancy. How to get all these sticks out of here. Paris is about to fall through the bridge. And I got the fire roaring. What was? And Jay unfortunately had to go, so time to pick up the pace, get all this cleaned up as fast as I can. Still trying to trim them weeds around there so you can see it again, dig them out on the stumps. Look at this. Gorgeous. Alright,